Guys, thank you for visiting LEDoutfitters.com. I want to make a video showing the detailed aspects of our 20-inch Razer Extreme Light Bar. I know that there's pictures of it on the website. However, I feel like if I do a more detailed video doing some close-ups of the light bar, it'll give you guys a better understanding of what this light bar is and how it comes. It's made out of solid aluminum, has 4 LEDs in the front, 4 LED modules in the back, and a 4 LED module on each side. The front and back modules have 6 LEDs inside them. I've noticed that a lot of light bars on the market only have 4 LEDs. So this light bar has 30% more LEDs, better light output. It's very narrow, size of my index finger. It's not so thick, again, but it has amazing light output. It has a track at the bottom. It goes from bolts all the way up to 2 inches on each side of the light bar. And what you do is you loosen these bolts and you're able to move this bracket to where you'd want it so it could sit better on your vehicle. It has, like I mentioned, an aluminum top, magnetic mount. It comes with a cigarette lighter plug with an on and off switch and a pattern change switch. The light bar uses 5-watt LEDs. It has a lot of eye-catching flash patterns. And this is one of our more popular light bars. The light bar itself has great head-on lighting and amazing off-axis lighting. It has side lighting as well, and it's one of our better selling products on the website. We do sell a lot of these all the time. Just want to mention one thing. There's a lot of these on the market. There's a lot of different ones you could find on competitors' websites. Just wanted to point out our light bar has a stronger LED, we feel, as well as more LEDs inside the housing. This particular light bar is not available on our competitors' websites. It's a unique one that we had developed for ourselves. As I have a steady burn, I'm going to go through more of these different flash patterns. If you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to reach out to us. We're more than happy to help, and we'd love to hear from you. Thank you guys, and have a great day.